They came in Om Sweet House and with me they have two brothers. One is name is Tapoja and one is Apoja. So they came with me and right now we'll have the samosa. So I think it will be a bit quite good. So let's try.
After having samosa, we will go to where?
Science City.
We will go to Science City.
Yes.
And then that time we will show you views and we will show you girls also. Don't worry. So just keep watching the video and keep enjoying. Guys, today we are using public transportation because we love to travel by bus. That time we have been going by bike. Yeah, now we are using bus, and right now we already got in bus, and after a few minutes bus will depart from here. Then after arriving in science center, we will make video. Till just enjoy and have fun. Video, bro. Make a video for me. Yes. Thank you. না আমি মাঝখানে একটা নেব
একটু লিমিটেড থাকে
So guys, after completion of graduation, so we can understand the feelings right now. Most of the friends
What kind of feelings do you want?
actually
Do you
the
want-
no actually the feelings and that I want to share with you, it is about friendship. So most of the friend we have been separated by time at
They are
present time.
separated. Okay, look at that guy. They are separate. You just use the word not separate. Look at that guy. They are separating. We're unseparate guys.
And see what he is doing. He is playing as like a student. He is there is method, bro. You
We are
can't.
back in our childhood.
So it's really amazing here. You can see. Hey, don't do that. There is something to learn.
I can see one bird.
Which one the bird?
I can see one bird. No.
Yes, if you
We
want
can see.
Chucky pieces.
Birds.
Chucky fishing machine. Okay. They have given instruction. You can read in Bengali also. You can read.
Slower.
Yeah, you can read it in English also. So without further delay, let's see what is the use of this one.
Who runs longer? That means.
Who runs longer
Yeah.
means?
And this is the method is win.
Oh,
Win. As the win is
actually I did not understand. You can play with that. Is it for the boxing?
not a boxing.
You can do the.
That's something different. That color difference. Color. Yeah, you can see. There's two colors.
Two colors.
Yeah.
I can't see anything.
Let's go.
What is the purpose of making this? Straight line or circle?
Let me focus on that.
Oh.
Hey, what is the time now? 4 o'clock, no? Hey, let's play here. But what to do this?
Or either I push.
Explain it. What is the,
That's
characteristic?
called a lever, okay?
Yes.
It's a lever.
Yes.
Lever sign. This is lever sign.
Yes.
I got it.
Lever sign means what?
Lever sign. If the
Listen,
lever is towards
Far
far away,
Okay.
it will pull very smoothly. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If a lever comes up very close, it's very hard to pull that.
Oh, okay.
This is the
I got it.
lever. So same way, you will get difference of force.
Okay.
So
And
this one is the
what
light.
is this one?
This one is the light. Okay. So talk about this one. So this one is so hard. So the weight is totally same. 50. Okay. So this one is simple force, medium, and hard force. So same things. The 50 kgs. If I keep the what's that? Lever position is here. So you have to waste your so much force.
Okay, in order to pull it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's
Okay.
move forward.
But what can we learn from here?
Yeah, main thing. So you can
Main thing,
use
like-
where- in your daily life
Ah,
So you
I
can
can
use
learn
that.
from there.
you can use that. You can so this is the very important thing. Actually, I tried I mean long days ago. By your weight, you can back in this way. Yeah. Come on.
Chamaila, ये तो बच्चा हो गया.
This is the very important thing.
Is it for child or adult also?
But
Oh, for all. Okay, okay.
this way,
Will anyone scold us?
yeah.
No, no. Who will scold?
That much.
I don't know.
That's all. Leave yourself.
Means नीचे के तोलो. So as you saw him that he
If
was.
you want to do like that experiment, you have to just follow the instruction about the written over here.
Okay. But for this I don't have to follow any structure. I know.
Just
Just
We
give
are
me
not
buddy
kids.
chance. Oh my goodness.
very well.
ऐसी बचपन का.
बचपन के झूला. Hi guys.
Oh.
उसको नक्को दिखाया
See, for his age it is okay, you know, but for you, I can't do this one, you know, my head moves there. पूरा माथा घूरे. देख के करो भाई, लग जाएगा. Okay, now my turn.
Now the little kid is over here. Okay, guys, look at him. He just missed his childhood. That's why he just.
এটা খুলে পড়বে না তো.
No, no, no.
হ্যালো হ্যালো এই শুনতে পাচ্ছিস রে এই এই তোর ক্লাস শেষ হয়ে গেছে তোর ক্লাস
Actually, basically, you know, if he speaks from there, we can listen from here also. So this is the main fundamental, you know, who speaks. Stand in front of one statue and ask your friend to go to the other one and put her ear close to the mouth of it. Okay. Please don't touch. Maybe work is going on.
बोले गयो के साथ मेरो बोल्नु के मुमा छ हैन त्यसमा बोल्नु त्यसमा काम नि के को चाहिँ सुन्छ कि
In this way, you can propose if you can't propose.
Yeah, that's very good. I remember. Okay.
yes so
Yeah, this is a
If I
trick.
get chance for that.
Yeah.
not
Hello.
hi baby how are you how are you
Yeah. What is that? Each tube. Bring your mouth inside tube and say hello. You will hear.
okay
See, he is
thank
speaking.
you. So when you come hi can you hear me wow can you see me can you
So
see me
beautiful conversation.
yeah can you see me my name is Amit yeah hey
See, the small kid they are speaking there, and by this hole he can listen, and he is also speaking. He can listen. See, look at the kid. Now they started enjoying.
Hi, Naida. Yes, what do you do?
Pura introduction you will get.
Hello, bye.
Bye. It was so amazing. The kids are very intelligent. Bye.
Quite friendly.
For friendly and intelligence also. She speaks very well. See, this is a beautiful. এটা কি?
Force. Same method. যেটা ইউজ হয় ফর ক্রেন
ও
ক্রেন নর্মালি this one is different. This one is medium height. Yeah, same. Same rules.
you can make massage also.
Something is different.
So still there is 30 minutes to start the shows. Oh, from here the kids were speaking and we were hearing from that side. Maybe they have gone. You can see here is it Rafael?
62.
Rafael model? I don't know. Not Rafael, no?
Old jet.
Old jet. Oh. Get to see so many different people, you know. Few of them have come to learn something. Hey, go there, spider jal.
Let's come. We'll attack.
4 o'clock it will be start, no?
4 o'clock it will start.
Let's check once.
Okay.
So let's talk about that. Bharat Sarkar.
Oh, is there mobile allow? Will they allow? Okay, so I can make video also. Mobile will say anything. He is asking when show will start. প্রকৃতি বীক্ষণ কেন্দ্রীয় বিশেষ দ্রষ্টব্য বিষয়সমূহ ইম্পর্টেন্ট ডিসপ্লে ইন নেচার ইনস্ক্রিপশন গ্যালারি সো হিয়ার ইউএসএনস বরগাঁও গণেশ মুরুম জাতীয় উদ্যান গ্রেট ব্যান্ড অ্যান্ড জার্মানি উত্তরবঙ্গ মহেশ্বরী দে হ্যাভ গিভেন beautiful this beautiful you can read Bengali also you can read in English also no issue here. Is it map of what?
Our Darjeeling district.
This is our map of Darjeeling districts. So where we live, I don't know. Let
I will show you.
okay.
So where is Siliguri? Jalapara. No, this way. This one is the this tiger. No.
Nepal.
Nepal.
Right now he is searching our place where.
So we are staying here. This way. Siliguri is Siliguri. Siliguri is in this side.
Then comes Siliguri, no?
Mananda, where is the Bangladesh?
You can see Bangladesh, different places are there.
Something is there.
Raiganj.
So they have the Darjeeling district this way.
Okay.
If this they have Mahananda. Mahananda is here. So this one is the Siliguri.
Okay, thank you for telling us. Now let's go to next place.
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया ले चली. As if I feel like to sing this one. So beautiful.
They have the fish. You see the very nice position.
জলদাপাড়া জাতীয় বন উদ্যান, this one. What I will show, it was all about forest and animals and different species. As you can see, now we are going to another places. So I will show you this one. These are forest. Don't go fast. This one also. Anything you want to tell, brother? Only selfie.
Actually, everything is good, but right now, so it's so much temperature activity. So I think it should be AC facilities here. So it would be better. So every visitors they could enjoy the more than.
Ethnic communities of North Bengal. North Bengal may be termed as museum of different ethnic communities and tribal groups unequaled elsewhere in West Bengal. The Mich community which live in Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar, Darjeeling and Kuch Bihar district of North Bengal have one of the richest legacies in language and literature. So now this one Toto community. They are from Toto community, as you can see, and the Toto community, Totpara is a tiny village at the Bhutan border. In the
Why are you describing this?
I am describing to
Just
my
mention the
viewers.
names only.
Yeah, they are Toto community, Toto ethnicity community, and here, sorry, is Sherpa community. The Sherpa community they live in eastern Tibet. Then they right now they have migrated to the Indian subcontinent through Nepal to settle in the mountains region and high hills to the west of Darjeeling district of North Bengal. And here the Lepcha community, and basically they are tribal community which lives mainly in the hill tract of Darjeeling district. Is one of the many manifestation of the huge Mangland community. Okay, right now here you can see they are the Rava. Hey, there was one friend named Rava. So Rava, Tapus Rava, if you are watching this video, it is your community right now. So Rava, they live in Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar and Kuch Bihar district in North Bengal. And Indo-Mongolian race of northeastern India known as the Rava or Kuch Rava. And they were Rajbangshi. Oh my goodness, this is our community. Rajbangshi, actually I am also Rajbangshi. We live in North Bengal. The Rajbangshi are the most prolific community, largely residing over district of Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, Kuch Bihar and Alipurduar. They are an acknowledged arm of Hindu religious group. Most Rajbangshi homes have 4 rooms, which one room Dhanai Ghar. So would you like to speak little bit Rajbangshi right now? So say something.
This is the main thing. So actually, I must say, so not only that, so every community they have its personal culture and traditions also, these things also. So obviously, I must say, so it was very unique and very oldest. So in
I said to speak little bit in Rajbangshi language.
oh my god. So কেমন আছেন সবাই? আমি অনেক ভালো আছি। আর তোমার যদি ভালো থাকেন তাহলে খুব আমি খুশি হই। আর যদি কোনো সময় ঠিক আছে দেখা করার সুযোগ থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই আমি কোন যে অবশ্যই তোমার দেখা করতে পারবেন বা ফেসবুকে তুমি মেসেজ করতে পারবেন। সো মোর ভাইয়ের এটা মানে ফেসবুক চ্যানেলে দিবে আর মোর ফেসবুকে তো তোমরা লাইক করতে পারবেন। তো মোর ফেসবুকের নাম হচ্ছে অমিত রায় ভাই আনতেছে। তো আমার বেসিক্যালি রাজবংশী কমিউনিটির বেসিক্যালি আমার 3টা মানে টাইটেল আছে। এটা হচ্ছে রায়, সিংহ, বর্মন। সো এই 3টা
Maji also there.
তো এই 3টা আমার রাজবংশী ক্যাটাগরিতে আছে।
Okay, thank you so much. And now one more community are there, the Dhopka community. They are North Bengal Dhopka tribes lives in inaccessible area of Boksa Dwar on the Indian Bhutan. So, do you want to speak that one also?
Which one?
That one, that community. Yeah, Dhopka.
What is that?
Yeah, the
What is the
Dhopka
language?
community.
The Adivasi.
Adivasi, they are not Adivasi.
Boksa.
They are not seems to be Adivasi.
No, but
They lives in Bhutan side, no?
no, I don't know.
Boxer.
I don't know Bhutan. So this one is true.
Okay.
If you talk about the Bhutan, so I can. Oh, such a.
More round chu.
Yeah.
What is this? That child is playing. Key game, bhai. Oh. Okay, now I will try. We will try. Okay. He is very good player. Okay. দাদা তুমিও যাও না দাদা আটকাও সাজো So amazing views, bro. Oh, it is 4 o'clock. We're waiting for the shows. It's around 4 o'clock. Very soon, so we'll start and we'll enter into the showroom. This I don't know, guys, whether they will allow us to make video or not, but let's see. So right now we are sleeping. Nobody. We are waiting for the show.
One hour later.
After watching the shows, as if we are nothing in this universe, you know. इस ब्रह्मांड में कितना कुछ है अभी तक हम लोग जस्ट सिर्फ कुछ ही गैलेक्सी और कुछ ही ब्रह्मांड का पार्ट को एक्सप्लोर किया है और भी बहुत कुछ बाकी है करने के। तो यहाँ पर आने के बाद क्या बोलो तो दोस्तों, यू कैन गेट टू लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स। यू कैन कम विथ योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, यू कैन कम विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन कम विथ योर सिस्टर एंड ब्रदर्स। सो मेनी चीज़ यहाँ पर सीखने के लिए है, बहुत सारा कुछ सीखने के लिए है, जैसे कि वीडियो में अभी मैं देखा तो। लेकिन you can come with your girlfriends also, as you can see there they are sitting with each other, so I should not make video. Let them do enjoy and so और भी कुछ दिखाएंगे दोस्तों। तो so keep watching the video. You just missing, no?
What did you say?
Girlfriend you could also do.
If I had a girlfriend, yes, I did. Now I have bad luck. I don't have anyone with me. Just
Okay.
chill, bro.
Okay.
Always be fun with the friends and get well the friends with that. Just because if you have good friends in you, they will give you the good memory. Okay, that's why we are here with one of the senior dada and one of my dearest and nearest friend. So that's to me. That's from my side.
Okay, thank you. Huh?
I feed them a lot.
You feed a lot. Okay. Feeding, animals, it is good. कितना क्यूट लगता है भाई। ये वो सादा वाला, ये सबसे बड़ा वाला समुद्र में शायद उसका पापा रहेगा।
I lift you in the air. I lift you in the air.
There should be another person. इसमें
Notable works. Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bosu.
Jagadish Chandra Basu, he is the Indian first scientist. Indian first scientist and Nobel Prize.
What he has done?
In physics. In physics, he did very good work.
Okay, and what about himself?
And he's the mathematics. The
Ramanujan.
Yes.
I am fan of him, bro.
Yes,
Yes, I am
Ramanujan.
afraid of mathematics. After knowing about his history, I got so many motivations.
He is a good mathematician.
Good, not Sena, intelligence and brilliant. And one more thing, in himself, he was totally vegetarian.
Yes.
Ramanujan, he was vegetarian. And who is he?
Raman.
Chandra Shekhar. Do you know about himself?
I know about, but something actually this. The famous world famous history story of
Hello, sister. Hello. You will fall down. Properly walk. Did you get to know anything? Okay, okay. And next one.
He's the first scientist who discovered the X-ray. Right now, nowadays we are doing the X-ray in the heart surgery sometimes. So he first of all innovated this.
Okay,
so This
okay.
is why he's the so world famous. And S. Shahani.
Birbal Sahan.
He's the Bengali.
Aman Shah.
Yes. Sorry.
Mohan Saha is famous for his theory of thermal runation, which help explain the physical condition in cellular bodies. Okay. And he, Satyendranath Bose, is best known for his work in quantum scientist.
Physics.
Yeah. And there are little bit information also about him. Bose attract the attention of Albert Einstein and other European physicians by the publishing a paper in 1924. And he, if I talk about himself, he is
Me Jangir Baba.
Hami Jangir Baba. Okay.
Hello.
And he is Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai, can be rightly called the father of Indian space science. Sarabhai was primarily concerned with the study of cosmic rays. He guided the research work in space science in our country by expanding the Indian Space Research Organization. Right now this one is of magic water tap. So remaining जो कुछ part था, we will show right now this one. So keep waiting, and here we are.
That's it. এটা খুব সুন্দর আসছে এদিকে
So right now we have arrived in the exiting place. So there is dinosaur with Amida now. So now we will go to home.
I know my name. I know my name. Put it on.